today will be the last day that I'll be working in the office. With everything that's going on, as you guys know, this virus is taking over and we're taking all the preventative actions that we can. We are lucky, or I can say I am lucky, that I have the capability and flexibility of working from home. I'm still able to keep an income coming in, which unfortunately a lot of the population don't have that luxury. We don't know how long this is going to take. It's scary. It's really scary not knowing what tomorrow is going to look like. But we gotta take it a day at a time. We gotta focus on the positive. We gotta focus on spreading positivity, because this world is full of uncertainty. I'm gonna be vlogging my days coming up, see how I'm coping with working from home, and documenting the process of this crazy virus that I'm praying to God that it's gonna stop spreading and we're gonna go back to our normal lives. But we don't know that yet. So with that being said, I'm going back in the office so we can continue packing and getting ready to work from home, make that transition. Well guys, it's official. Today was the last day for the week that I'll be working in the office. I do still have to come in probably for half a day on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but it's just gonna be a handful of us coming in twice a week, and we're gonna keep our distance. We're not gonna be working close together. I work in the healthcare industry in the workers' comp physical therapy area, so we process a lot of medical bills. So with patients not being seen due to this virus and people being quarantined and staying home and practicing the social distancing or not going outdoors, I don't think we're gonna have the volume that we're used to. So for right now, we're taking it day by day, and we're coming in the office. Instead of coming 5 days a week, we're gonna cut it down to 2 days a week. But I'm gonna bring all my monitors and my laptop to work from home, and then I'll be just transporting my laptop because it's just easier to have it home, since I'm gonna be working the majority of the time at home. So but yeah, this is it. It's becoming a reality, guys. Everything is empty. I've never seen such a thing. But anyway, let's go home so we can set our office and have everything ready, so when Monday comes around, we are ready to start. I've been all cut up about getting all the food supply that I need, all the water supply, that I forgot to buy essentials, feminine essentials. I need to get panty liners, shampoo, conditioner, razors. Yeah, all that thing. I was looking in my bathroom and I'm running low, so. Hey, what you guys doing? Are you at home? Oh, okay. So I'm just getting home now. I'm gonna see if I clean a little bit the office because it's a mess. And as I was walking in here, I'm like, man, I'm so hungry. Of course, with all the craziness at work, trying to get everything packed and trying to get everything set away for the week, I forgot that I never took my lunch break. So that's why I'm hungry. Well, I took a break, but I didn't eat my break, on my break. So I'm starving. But first thing is first, let's wash our hands.